Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use smart charging on Vivo to protect battery. If you are using a Vivo phone and now you want to enable or use smart charging of your phone, so let's see how can you do this. For this you must have to open your phone settings. In settings just look for battery. Here's the battery, just tap on it, and here you will get the option of battery health and charging. Just select it, and here you will get the optimized battery charging or smart battery charging. Just tap on it, and here you can easily limit your battery charging. If you don't want to limit your battery charging, so you must have to enable this setting, which is optimized based on habits. You must have to enable this setting, and after that it will pause or resume charging on the base of your phone. So that's how you can easily enable or use smart charging on Vivo phone to protect your battery life. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.